family, welcome to PananaTV. My name is Monica and today we are making tripe, but because I don't want to make it on the stove top, we're going to be using my pressure cooker because I just don't want to be standing for a long time. So if you're like me and you want to see how I make mine using a pressure cooker, let's cook. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So it is already clean. The only thing that I just need to do is to chop it up. Yeah, I washed it. I actually bought it clean. I just had to like rewash it a little bit, but I bought it clean. Alright, this is the first piece. I don't want to chop it up later, so I think it's just best to do it now. I usually like cooking it on the stove top or in my boigi pot. The flavor, that pot just enhances the flavor of the food. So I quite like it, but the thought of making fire, it's quite cold and I don't want to stand on my feet for too long. So yeah, pressure cooker it is, but I have no doubt that it's going to be very tasty. So I'm just going to cook it in there and then finish it off on the stove top with my onions and flavoring. I don't know what this is. I don't know if that's in Tswana we call it the kwafa or something like that. I think so. Comment down below if you know what this piece is called. I think the kwafa. I could be wrong. I don't know what it's called in English. And there's another piece that I don't know, but all these are so tasty. This is one of my favorite parts. Alright, perfect. So So this is my tripe. I'm not going to add any salt or anything in here. I'm just going to cook it plain like this. Once it's cooked, then I'm going to transfer it into a pot and then start with the flavoring. So I'm going to use a couple of spices, not a lot, and onions. That's it. So let's do this. That's it. So we're just gonna leave it and then it will do its thing. Smells so good. I'm not going to discard this. I'll use it after everything else. Just adding in a little bit of olive oil. It smells so nice. If you know, you know. Parsley, oregano, and black pepper. I'm also adding some all-purpose seasoning. This is 6 gram. Just gonna add a little bit of salt again, not too much. Smells divine. Very nice and soft. So now what I'm going to do is just gradually, instead of adding water, I'm going to add this water or stock. Let's do 3, be fine. And I'll let that reduce and then it should be good. Let me show you. Wow. Add 2 more. Just until the onions are fully cooked through, and then yeah, maybe 15 minutes, then we'll plate. I'm gonna serve this with pap. This looks so good. We are done. Cool fam, this is really good. I hope you try it, and if you do try it, please let me know in the comments how it was. I'm gonna enjoy mine with pap. Just waiting for the pap to get cooked. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.